What are you buying?
Red gold and shit.
Very important.
Cause I fucking like I had it, and then it's just like nope, goodbye.
Oh, I'm a shot Chipotle.
Oh, dude, I low-key thought that was some random rat, dude. I was about to fucking waste you.
Dude, why can't I unblock any cars that I pull? The fuck?
Oh, we need a skinning knife. Dude, we need a skinning knife. We need to go steal some organs.
I have a skinning knife.
JD,
grab
that's the worst.
a fucking
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
I really
campfire
do.
kit.
Some
Oh my
idiot just
God.
shot me at south.
I need a gunner.
I'm not getting in that shit. With the gunner.
Nate, you know you wanna...
Not chill. We can
I really do
Here.
want to.
get in the 50 cal. We'll pull a Quillen and like
Yeah,
follow
I'm
just in
gonna pull my
case.
Fuck
Quillen.
it.
Let's go.
Are we going to Rebel?
Yes, we are.
Oh my God, crazy man.
I already
Which
pulled the
rebel?
Quillen.
Here, you can drive. all.
North.
Alright, I'm gonna spawn at the gang shed. I'm in. What's the group
Shit,
called?
hold on. Here, let me give you my gun and shit, dude. If I'm gonna be the gunner, I'll get shot off probably, right?
Wait,
It's
Notorious, what are you
potential.
doing?
Just don't get shot off. It's
I
a
don't
50
know.
cal. You can literally blow through anything. Here, unlock it so I can get in the gunner.
Here, I could pull my 50 cal too.
You're not getting in?
No, don't pull
There you
the
go.
fucking 50 cal. Unlock the Quillen. Unlock the Quillen.
Are
so I
we
can
just
get in
gonna
gunner.
spam them
Oh,
by just
yeah.
going in and messing with them?
Or, okay, that's fine.
This is
What'd
gonna
you
be
say?
fun.
No, I was just saying to unlock the Quillen so I could get in the gunner.
Okay, cool.
You guys are way ahead of us, so be careful.
Stop right here.
Why?
Never mind, just keep
Oh,
going in.
there's an orca there.
Blast it, dude. Blast it.
Yeah.
You'll tear it apart.
We
Just
don't have
going.
a gun.
You have the 50 cal.
No,
No, we don't.
They're not in a 50 cal.
Oh, y'all left it?
Wait, someone
No,
vested.
Oh, wait,
tower.
y'all are down there.
Who
Wait,
the hell
what? I'm
vested
so
tower?
confused.
Here, unlock. They don't
hit
see
the
us.
tower
Here.
too.
Yeah.
Oh.
There, he's running to us now. He's running.
Oh, dude, there's like 3 different groups right now. I thought, never mind. Alright, well, we're on our way with
Nate
the 50
and
cal.
JD we're at the gang house.
God damn it.
Are y'all
You
that
took
far
the wrong
ahead
way.
of us?
Go right, go right. Go right.
Where are they
You took
at?
the wrong road.
Did you guys pull in?
Yeah, they're
Alright.
in north.
I'm just gonna off-road it.
Dude, Steve gives no fucks.
Alright, dude, I'm calling it now. I'm getting off.
No, Notorious, don't
Wait,
get
did y'all
off
just
'cause of
die?
that. Yeah, they shot us.
Nice.
Oh, Orca's taking off. Orca's
Shoot
taking
it,
off.
shoot it with the 50 cal. Blast that shit,
Can we
dude.
shoot it?
Shoot it.
Yeah, shoot it, dude. You're at Rebel.
Shoot
And they
it.
just
Go ahead.
And they
Do it.
initiate, shoot it.
Dude, wreck their fucking orca, my dude. Like, blast that tail rotor.
Oh, you have a 50 cal out.
Yeah,
They're
dude.
gonna come back and hot drop on us.
Dude, just fucking keep lighting it up
No,
if it
never
gets
mind.
close enough.
They're just dodged up, dodging and yeah, I fucked that all.
Dodge, dip, dive, dodge, and
Duck. Oh, no, you did
Yeah.
it wrong.
Oh,
Dodge,
no.
duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
I wish I could do that.
Keep me... Here, stop on this
I
hill.
wish I could do that. Fuck you.
Where'd they go? Do you know?
They're over gang house.
Why was that so
Oh wait, we got
funny?
one on the coast.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, fuck.
Do not back up. Stop! Like, oh my god, dude.
All right, one's in the water, like down by the rocks
They're
on the
coming
beach.
back.
I'm confused. Where are they?
Reload that shit a while if you need to.
Guys, the orca's coming back. Get ready to shoot
Good.
it again.
Oh, there's so many people in there, dude. When it gets close enough, blast it. Aim ahead of it, but aim for the tail rotor. Nah, don't waste your ammo. Wait till they actually get close. They're trying to land. Wait for them to slow down enough and then blast them. Like right there, perfect. Shoot him. When they're flat like that, shoot him.
I'm reloading.
He's shooting at us, I think.
Killed the guy on it.
I'm blood transfusing. Someone go pull out another 50 cal if they have it. They're landing. Aim higher,
they
just for
landing?
bullet drop.
Where are they landing?
We got Winchester and Steve.
I killed
Nice.
both of them, dude.
Alright, we're gonna pull up on their asses. Get to cover, guys. I can only fit one more in here.
Y'all go, I'll watch.
There's one in HQ right now. Or one in Rebel right now.
Really?
What's our ammo like, Nate?
34 bullets left.
That's all we
Should
got?
I buy a
Alright.
vest?
Dude,
Yeah,
just
bro.
blow up the Orca, if anything, to be honest. Make them waste that money.
Oh, I'm dead.
He knows it.
I changed with trade
How
with
did he
Buttlicker.
know it?
Well, I killed like fucking couple of them, so that's a plus, I guess.
I'm gonna try to respawn and see if I can pull that duped 50 cal out.
I'm in north with the full kit again.
There's a guy on the 50 cal.
Yeah, he's behind a rock. I can't get him.
Yeah, he's behind the rock wall next to the pine tree.
Wait, where is he? Mark his location.
I can't. I'm dead. It's
Oh,
where
here,
the 50
it's
cal
like-
is.
Hold on, I got you. I marked it in group. It's like in that area.
Might be able to shoot him.
Yeah, he's wearing pilot coveralls
Of course he is.
and a combat helmet.
Remember, there's one inside Rebel too.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I was just in Rebel and it's clear.
Oh, really? There was a guy like driving up there in a hatchback. Or was that you?
That was
Oh,
me.
That
yeah.
was him.
Oh, and I was shooting at you.
You didn't see
Yeah,
his
you
head?
were. Scared me shitless.
I'll just respawn and come back to Rebel. We'll fucking keep this warfare going. I don't care.
Alright, I see the 50 cal, but I don't see him.
I see
Okay,
one.
okay, so if you look to the
Got him! Woo!
Nice shot.
There's one on the 50 cal. One right behind the rock.
yeah next to
Who's
the
that
pine
behind
tree.
us? Oh, you're good.
That's
Go,
his-
go, go push up down the hill. Oh, that's you, Chipotle. Never mind.
I'm flanking him on the far side.
Sounds good.
I forgot Red Bull.
Should I respawn or can you guys come get me?
Where you at?
Just
Oh,
respawn.
yeah, I would say
Oh.
respawn. Are you at the 50 cal?
I'm on the 50 cal. Yeah.
Yeah, respawn. We're not gonna get you in time. They're gonna camp that 50 cal.
I got
I'm
3
how
minutes,
many are
so,
left?
I mean,
At least one,
I
maybe
think just
two.
one.
No, there's two of them. There's two of them up. They're trying to
One of
flank.
them got killed, right?
Flank where? Right or left?
About bearing 290. 280 on the hill. Top of the hill.
Oh, I
yeah.
see him.
User disconnected from your channel.
Nice!
Yeah, there's another one up there.
I see him.
They're so screwed.
He's behind the rock. I'm reloading. Watch me.
Yeah, I have my crosshairs on it.
Alright, I'm adjusting a little bit so I don't get hit easily.
I see their orca.
What the fuck was that?
Oh
Wow.
Oh shit! Was that one of you guys?
It didn't hit it. We're gonna have to try again.
Oh my god.
Fucking
Nice
hilarious.
shot, dude.
Fuck,
Good
get
job.
wrecked. This fucker hit me though. God damn it.
Do you need medical?
I have blood bags.
I
Alright,
see
cool.
one
But
by
get
the orca.
wrecked.
Dude, good job. This is actually good gang shit. I wish Scrappy was here. Dude, he's gonna be so proud of us. That we're fucking wrecking them right now. No, but watch them be like, oh, well, we'll whoop your ass at cartels. And be like, okay, but remember this. Like, how y'all lose a rebel?
Wait, you guys won?
I think there's one more
No,
left,
oh,
but
there's
yeah,
one
we pretty
left.
much just
One more
slayed
by
them.
the orca, and I'm about to kill him.
Okay.
Keep eyes
Alright, move up. I'm
left
gonna
just
go
in
get the
case.
quilling.
Because they geared up from somewhere and they came back, so... I think.
I don't think all of them died.
Maurice, grab the car. I'm gonna try and push up.
Man, I'm hoping to wake up in the hospital, man. Come on. Come on, wake up in the hospital.
Here, grab me whenever you come over. Here, let's push up. Go
Shit.
quick.
Got him!
Good
Nice.
job, dude. Push up, quick.
Fucking
There's
dead.
more?
I think there's more. Here, drop right here before we go over the hill. Alright, push.
There's one by the helicopter still. Winchester's laying down.
I'm going left
He's
into
a
the
shit
trees.
shot. How many times he fucking shoots you, dude? Jesus.
He shot me 3 times. I didn't see him till late though. Nice job.
I
I'm
see
out
him.
in the field.
Nice.
Kind of. Did you guys see where I died?
No,
I'm in
we'll
the
find you
open
after the
by
map.
field.
Was Winchester the one that was over to the left?
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay, cool.
And I shot the other one, so we're all clear. Come res.
I'm just gonna do a quick peek in case. Yeah. Okay. Where's he at? I'm gonna execute him. Oh, I see him, I think.
Hey, you guys see me out here?
I'm not sure. I'll get you in a second. Who's this? I got Winchester. I'm executing.
He's probably gonna be super.
That shit
Hey,
was so
collect that
much
shit and
fun.
let's go chop it.
Yeah, dude, the real shit. Let's chop this orca. Like, and this Ifrit,
Let's
dude.
chop
Like,
the orca
No, that's
and
my
the-
effort.
oh,
That's my effort.
okay. Okay. JD,
No,
where
no,
are you?
no.
Let's chop
I'm out in the
ships
field,
different.
kind of
Let's
like
chop chips different.
Northwest of the
Hold
orca.
up. Northwest of the orca. Is it green?
Yeah, I
green
snuck
or
around them. I was shooting at them from behind.
Green or brown? What field?
Green.
Okay, wait. I think I see you.
Does
Yeah, I
everybody
see you, I
have
see you.
defibs?
I have
There's
defibs.
one
I'm
over
getting
here.
them.
There's a defib on my body.
There's
anyway.
2 defibs
Oh, yeah, I
by
got
the
Pick
heli.
up the extra defib over there for me, please.
Guys, let's hurry up and get out of
Where
here.
you
Chop.
at, Nate?
I'm driving up on a
Thank you.
compact,
Right.
dude, to the rebel.
All right, whoever is a good pilot, no offense, not JD. Let's
Hey,
take this shit
okay,
to
I
chop
lagged
shop.
out. That's nothing.
I'm not.
So JD's a good pilot, dude. He's just he's got shit connection, dude. That's all.
Yeah, that's
I do
what makes you
not.
not a good pilot. All right,
only
well
reason
then
I
I'm
lagged
getting
out-
a co-pilot and unlock it.
Okay.
All right, hurry up. Let's
It's
go and chop this
Winchester's
shit.
last
Alright, let's go.
orca.
Is it open?
Yeah, and I lockpicked it.
Cool. All right.
Alright, I'm getting off,
Are you
boys. I'll
co-piloting?
catch you guys tomorrow.
Alright, buddy.
No, you can pilot it if you're better.
User
No,
disconnected
JD
from
can
your
pilot, but I
I need to grab
co-pilot.
NVGs bad.
Alright, JD, you pilot.
I need NVGs.
Shit. Here, I'll pilot then. I'm pretty sure I can. Winchester took his own life. Oh, this is
He's
co-pilot.
coming back.
Alright, let's hurry up.
They got a gang house up here too.
Here, just get in here. He'll be fine.
Yeah, unlock controls and
Oh, we're
start
running
it
out of
up.
fuel, but that's okay.
This is a lot of fuel for an orca.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, orcas hold a lot.
Dude, I feel good. I almost tapped Winchester too. I lit him good.
Yeah, dude, me and Maurice were laying pipe on the fucking left side.
Dude, yeah, you were.
I can't believe I got that one. I can't believe I got Steve the first time. Like, I just like one tapped him off the rock.
Can we stop somewhere where there's NVGs? It's fine. We can chop this first.
Yeah, I kind of.
I just won't be able to see shit. I guarantee he's gonna go to that chop shop. Let's go to Kavala chop shop.
That's a good point. Where's it at? Oh, it's all the way over there. It's 12 clicks, but it's worth it.
Yeah, it is. Nate, pull a heli so you can pick us up.
No. I can't be flying right now. I'm fucked off.
Feels good to finally shit down
Winchester's
those guys'
calling me because
throats.
he doesn't want us to fucking chop that shit.
No, tell him he's. Hey, call him, and if he actually says don't chop
Hey, where's
his
that
shit.
Ifrit at?
I stored the effort. I'm gonna go look for my 50 cal.
I need
Dude,
a
tell
ride.
him, alright, fine,
No,
we won't
no.
chop that shit, and
No,
then just
tell-
crash it right into
No,
him.
no. In all honesty, if he asks, like, if
I
he says
was
something.
honestly gonna crash it, but
No. If he honestly
oh shit!
says.
I'm getting shot at.
Here, if he honestly says don't chop it, just tell him to remember what he just did to JD, and he started this whole shit. Like, honestly. Because I'm pretty sure JD died before you sued, so.
Yeah, no, I died before you sued.
Yeah, so he started
They
it.
shot my ship before you sued, so.
Fuck man, I'm getting
Steven's
shot
gang.
from all directions now.
Damn.
You still shit on him.
No, there's more.
Oh, no. See, I always have trouble sometimes reading who killed who. I thought Chipotle fucking died.
Dude, they got fucking crazy fucking rockets.
Launching rockets at you?
Yeah, 3 so far.
Wow. Rat, dude. Bro, just hide with another Sui. It's like, as soon as they pop in, just explode. Alright, whenever we get above it, I'm gonna need you guys to, like, just look out, just in case.
Do you see him?
No. But, I mean, on the off chance, because he might have Sui to go to Kabbalah so he could get us. Oh.
I'm dead. They just killed me from my left, like towards the front side of Rebel.
Oh
Well,
man,
Chip.
they are fucking rushing the shit out of Rebel.
Yeah, dude, they're sick as fuck. They're salty.
Three RPGs. That's 120k they just spent
They
trying to kill
executed
me.
me, so they're in Rebel.
Oh my
They're in
God.
Deer Stand.
Dude, buy the fucking Sui. As soon as the door opens, just explode. It's fucking gold, my dude. Alright, I'm gonna start slowing down. 'Cause I don't know the lay of this land.
Oh, I got fucking killed by an S-Star.
Nice.
Ah, rip.
So does that mean rip your 50 cal?
Eh.
Oh well, I'll just craft another one.
Well, what chops for more, a 50 cal or an Orca?
50.
Well,
That's if they
they're
chop
probably
it.
pretty close.
They're probably just gonna blow it up.
Here, let me chop it, because I want to get it on video. What up? Why am I taking so long? Yeah, just sweep the area, make sure there's no one in here. Where's he at? Where's
They
the...
don't want to talk to us, dude. They're salty. Why are they so salty, dude?
What? What? There's no
It's
vehicles in
because
here.
they think that they're good above everyone else and they just got shit on.
Yes, they
Oh,
did.
I
If
gotta
I
get
didn't have
closer.
this combat helmet either, I would have been fucked. Good old combat helmet saved my ass.
Can anyone come pick us up with a heli, or do we have to drive all the way to Donor?
I don't know. Hold on. Maybe I can buy a heli with this chop money. Alright, this is me chopping, I can only assume Winchester's Orca. Goodbye. And recording stop.